Hi everyone, this is Palvinder. Today I would like to share with you the stats of the video जो ਅਸੀਂ 2 दिन पहले release ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ about the migrants and immigrants lives matter. Guys, we receive around 6k views in a one day and around 50 share in a one day, and I also receive a lots of likes and comments on the video. I'm really thankful to you all guys to supporting that video. On the other side, I just received some messages and they said you might create videos just for your business publicity. I would like to clear with you those people, and the video was not for the publicity. As I'm a digital marketer and a Facebook marketer, I already have a more work. I already have more publicity of my business, right? Guys, ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੱਚੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਸ trainings ਲੈਣ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ. We got heaps of queries in a one day, and we got heaps of enrollment in a one day. You won't believe next 2 monthly mera schedule already busy, and we got heaps of students who are getting training with us. Guys, everyone has its own way to help the immigrants. I'm helping immigrants to filling the gap between their theoretical knowledge and the employer expectation. I'm helping them to build their practical skills so that they can save their career in New Zealand. I'm helping immigrants in like that way. If you read my old comments, if you read my reviews, you will know that. If you saw all my images in the labs, there are lots of immigrants, they are getting skills from us, right? Just read my reviews, just read the comments, just watch the old images which is on my website. Guys, in the last month our 5 students received the job. That was the help, and I didn't charge for them, right? Manish got job, Manisha got job, Ajit and Navjeet, they got jobs, and there are lots of students who got jobs through us, right? We help immigrants like that way. Now guys, I'm not targeting those people who just do the messages. They all are right on their way, but this is my responsibility to clear those people who have any questions about that. The video was not for publicity. I already have a lots of business, and I already have more publicity in the New Zealand. A lots of students, a lot of immigrants knows about me, what I'm doing. Here I would like to share with you my thought process. I'm not creating the video for those who just message me. This is just the thought process. Maybe that will help you what I'm thinking about it. Guys, we have 3 kind of people in the world, right? The first kind of people, the people who agrees with you and your thought and with your voice, right? And the second kind of people who are neutral with you, with your message. They are neutral. They like your things, they don't like your things, right? We have second kind of people, that was the neutral people. And the third people we have who are disagree with you. That's fine guys, they don't agree with your voice, they don't agree with your message. Guys, that's fine. This is the world, and world is like this way, right? So guys, don't worry about this all things. Make sure that I'm not targeting those who are not agree with me, just my thought process. And we have these 3 kind of people in the world. So guys, we are helping immigrants in like this way. I hope that helps, and that was not for the publicity. Thank you so much guys. Thanks a lot.